Hi there, it's Shell with Little Acres Creations, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything. So today we are using some washi tape along with some stamp sets. And I am just putting some washi. I'm going to kind of rearrange it so I can fit a stamp set in there. And the stamp set I am using today is Fluttering By, and that is available at my store, littleacrescreations.com. And as always, the link will be below. And I am using some fabric washi tape, and the sticky on this is hardly visible. So I am going to go ahead and just use my ATG gun just to glue that down. Now I was using the Fluttering By stamp set just to kind of gauge the space that I want in between my tapes, so that when I'm ready to do my stamping, I know exactly how far I want to go in between, and I can account for that. Now I am going to take the kind of like heart trail, and I'm going to stamp that in the open spot. And you'll see that I kind of rearrange it so that I have the heart trail going all the way across the card, and it kind of looks like the ladybug is kind of flying up and out of that empty spot right there. And I think that adds such a cute touch to this card. And then just to finish up the card, I am going back to the stamp set Fluttering By, and I'm adding the sentiment, fluttering by to say, thinking of you. And I don't think I got that on camera, but you know, this is such a cute card that you can reproduce it many, many times. Now you can make it as elegant or as simple as you'd like it to be. Now I am going to go ahead and bring in another idea for this using some watercolors and the butterflies from the stamp set, Fluttering By. Again, that is below. So I'm going to just speed that up, put it to some music, just so you can see another quick and fun way to make another card. And be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. I still have a few more washi tape cards heading this way. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you guys have a great day.